Welcome to Costa's Cafe, where rigor is on the menu and inquisitors are cooking up a variety of questions. The cafe features 3 levels, each level becoming more complex. We'll start by taking a look around Level 1. Level 1 inquisitors observe the menu, select their items, and complete their order. Some questions you might hear as you explore Level 1 of the cafe include: what is a shiitake? What comes with the salmon meal? What are the ingredients in the side salad? And what items are gluten-free? Level 1 inquisitors aren't interested in comparing menu items or exploring new flavors. They are more likely to grab their food and go. Let's head up to Level 2. Inquisitors on this level take more time to process. They analyze their choices by comparing and contrasting menu items. They explain to the server how they would like their steaks prepared while inferring that they've made the best choice possible. As Level 2 inquisitors analyze the menu, you may hear questions like, is it really cheaper to order the combination dinner than to order each item separately? Or, how does the Greek salad differ from the Caesar salad? And, if I order my burger well done, will it take longer to get to the table than if I ask for it medium rare? Level 2 inquisitors are more likely to sit down and savor their meal, as they truly enjoy time to process and interact with the world. Heading up to the top floor of the cafe, you will notice a drastically different environment than the first 2 floors. The third level is Costa's Culinary Institute. On this level, chefs are able to apply their knowledge and imagine ways to improve, adapt, and change the menu. They like to generalize, hypothesize, and speculate about how their ideas will turn out. They constantly evaluate their foods and make predictions on how the meal could be better next time. Mingling among the chefs, you may hear questions like, does the sauce taste better with more or less salt, and how so? Or, how hard would it be to bake a cake with only 3 ingredients? Or, which dessert will people prefer to eat with their pasta? And, by increasing the oven temperature, I believe that I can save time in cooking the turkey. And finally, if I add more choices to the menu, how might this increase the number of daily customers? Level 3 inquisitors should never be judged for being off the page, because they are the ones that bring about change in the world. Thanks for stopping by and exploring the 3 levels of Costa's Cafe. Bon appetit!